امریکی صدر ڈونلڈ ٹرمپ نے ایرانی قیادت کو مغرور قرار دیتے ہوئے کہا ہے کہ بالآخر ان کے پاس معاہدہ کرنے کے سوا کوئی چارہ نہیں ہوگا۔ ایسے معاملات حل کرنے میں سالوں لگ جاتے ہیں۔ صدر ٹرمپ نے NBC نیوز کو انٹرویو میں کہا کہ امریکہ نے ایران کی فوجی صلاحیت تقریباً مکمل طور پر ختم کر دی ہے۔
You have been saying for months, Mr. President, that Iran is begging to make a deal.
True.
If they are so desperate to make a deal, why haven't they made a deal with you yet?
Because it's a very hard thing for them. They can't believe they're in the situation where they've been virtually decapitated.
But if they're so desperate, Mr. President, why haven't they said yes to the terms you're
Because
proposing?
they're strong, they're proud. There are things they never thought they'd be doing that they're going to have to do. They've got no choice. Look, we have totally destroyed their military. They have some missiles left. They have some drones left.
Do you know how many missiles?
Yes, exactly.
How many?
I don't want to tell you, but they still have capacity. They have some missiles, they have some drones. I would say percentage-wise, maybe 21, 22% of their missiles. It's a lot of missiles, but it's not what it was when we first attacked.